What if we told you that one of Australia's largest mango farms produces nearly 40,000 tons of mangoes every single year? Today, we're taking you behind the scenes to see exactly how these delicious fruits are grown, harvested, and transformed into products enjoyed around the world. Our journey begins in late spring, when farmers prepare the land and carefully plant young mango trees.
Every tree is positioned with enough space to receive sunlight, fresh air, and nutrients. As the trees develop, strong steel support wires are installed to keep them upright and stable. These supports protect the young trees from strong winds and help them grow evenly.
Growing mangoes is a long-term investment. Farmers usually wait 2 to 3 years before the trees produce fruit. When flowering season arrives, thousands of tiny blossoms cover the orchards. Over the next 105 days, these tiny blossoms slowly transform into young mangoes.
Day after day, the fruit grows larger under Australia's warm sunshine. Farmers carefully monitor every tree throughout the growing season. Now, the long-awaited harvesting season finally begins. Now, the long-awaited harvesting season finally begins. Every mango is picked with care to prevent damage. Within hours, thousands of freshly harvested mangoes begin their journey to the packing facility. As the harvest arrives at the facility, the team works tirelessly to manage the influx of Australian mangoes.
The color and texture are excellent on these. Agreed. Send the crate through.
Every mango starts its journey on an advanced conveyor system.
The first step is a thorough washing process.
Powerful yet gentle cleaning systems remove dust and impurities without damaging the fruit. Advanced grading machines sort the fruit by size, weight, and quality. Only the finest mangoes continue to the premium packaging line. Robotic systems stack the boxes quickly while protecting the fruit from damage.
Every shipment is checked before leaving the factory.
From here, fresh mangoes travel to supermarkets across Australia and overseas.
But not every mango is sold fresh.
While some mangoes become frozen products, thousands of others continue their journey to a modern juice factory.
Every batch is inspected before production begins. The mangoes are thoroughly washed to remove any remaining impurities. Next, the peel and seed are removed. Only the sweet mango flesh continues to the next stage.
Inside giant mixing tanks, the mango pulp is blended into smooth juice. The juice is filtered to create a rich, smooth texture. Now the fresh mango juice is ready for bottling. The bottles now move to the automatic sealing station.
Next comes the labeling process.
Each mango bottle is checked to ensure it meets strict quality standards. The cartons are sealed and prepared for shipment. Finished cartons are stacked and wrapped for safe transportation. Now the mango juice is ready to begin its journey to stores around the world. After leaving the factory, the mango juice begins its journey across the country.
How about this mango juice, everyone?
Oh yes, that looks amazing.
Let's get it chilled for dinner.
Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey from the farm to your table.